Hey guys, I'm so excited to meet with y'all today. I can't wait to video chat with some of you. If you haven't signed up for a time yet to chat with me, that's okay. I'm going to put up a lot more times and so we can hopefully start meeting at least once a week. I can't wait to see you. I'm going to show you real quick how to get on our meetings. So I'm going to just minimize that. So once you are in at the web page, if you are already in Classroom, you're great. That's going to be your easiest route to be in. So you're going to sign in to Google Classroom, or go ahead and sign into the Launchpad and go into Google Classroom, and I'm going to show you using a student account. So it's going to look exactly like how you would see it at home. Okay, so getting on, once you are in Google, it's real easy. You've already signed up for a time. It's super easy. Now, you had to have signed up using your student user information. So if you signed up under your parents' account, you're going to have to go through their account or go back in and sign up for your time in using your account. So going in through Google Classroom, once you've logged in, you know it is logged in with you when you click up here in this corner, click on the down arrow, and you should see your username. Okay, so it should have your name up here. And if it's not your name, you're going to want to sign out and then sign back in using your username. So that way you can access our classroom information. So once you're in Google Classroom, in the top right corner, you're going to see, oh, it's still on. See, this happens. So this is something I notice y'all are having a hard time with. When you click on Google Classroom, it's going to go to the priority login account. So right now, this says it's logged in as me, and I want to be logged in as another student. So I'm going to go ahead and add another account and log in using my student one. Okay, so that might help some of you get through some of those kinks where the links aren't working, or so we'll log in using the student account and verify it's you. And then once it's logged in, it should have your initial up here unless you change your icon. So now I know that this is the right account. When I hover over it, I don't have to click it all. Notice it has the student, and I'm using Cadence as my example. So it has his name right there. So then I'm going to click into Google Classroom, and here's all my Google Classroom information. Once you're in to Google and you know it's you because it has your name, if you click on these 9 little dots, it says Google Apps, and that's where you will find Meet. When you click on Meet, it's going to pull up. If you have scheduled something with me today using your login again, it's going to pop up here, and you're going to click onto your scheduled time, and it'll pull you into the chat room where we're going to be talking. So that's how easy it is. Just again, make sure that that has your user information. If it doesn't, do just like I did and click on that button and switch account or add the account or whatever, and then make sure that it has your name up there when you go hover over that little dot. That's how you're going to identify who's on. Same thing if you have more than one student, or if your siblings are using it. So if your brother or sister was logged in and you're not sure if it's in their account or yours. When you're in Google, just make sure it's got your initial, and then when you click on it, it should have your name. Or if you're in Google Classroom, you can just hover and it should pull that up. But if it doesn't, click on it and it should have your name first. It might have the other accounts down here, and that's fine. That's how you're going to switch back and forth to make sure you're in the correct account. Okay. So I can't wait to meet with y'all. Again, if you haven't signed up for a time, be looking out for those. I'm going to send some via Google Classroom, but I'll also email to the parents so that all can sign up. But I really want the students to be doing the work, and go ahead and let the students do the signing up and logging in. So that would be helpful for them to learn. This is a great learning time for all of us. So see you soon, and I can't wait to talk with y'all.